The biggest challenge people face is the waiting time to know if they've won or lost their Social Security disability case. In fact, it's become a gigantic problem. Currently, in the state of New York, someone who applies will be waiting approximately 2 years after the date they apply to find out if they won or lost their case. Oftentimes, people applying conclude that they can't work, they have a major problem, and then they have to wait 2 years before they can get any benefits. A lot of people applying for Social Security disability eventually lose interest. Some of them even become homeless, becoming a burden on their family or a burden on their particular state in providing social service benefits. However, at Alegria and Barovick LLP, we keep monthly contact with our clients, keeping them in the game, keeping them interested, and keeping them involved. We make sure to touch base to let them know that we are there and involved and care so that they don't give up. The next thing we do is collect their medical records as time goes by, because anyone who is disabled is getting some sort of medical treatment. Some clients even lose interest and give up the treatment, so we become coaches to encourage them to continue their treatment. We scour their medical records, reading them intently. We've had some training in reading medical records, and we can find evidence in their record that supports their claim for Social Security. Lastly, we aggregate that, and at the time of the hearing, we provide a legal brief to the administrative law judge for Social Security summarizing our client's medical disabilities, pointing to particular pages and particular days, months, and years of their treatment. We always provide a detailed legal analysis. Doing all three of these things, staying in touch with clients, reviewing their records, and providing a detailed legal analysis allows Alegria and Barovick LLP to win over 90% of the cases we represent. Case in point is a woman who came to me in January 2011. She applied for benefits in June 2010 and just won her case in October 2016. She'd waited over 6 years, and we represented her almost that entire time, helping her win her case. She's a woman who we really had to stay in touch with, as she had to relocate and move many times, and we had to encourage her to continue her treatments, collecting years and years of medical treatment from her doctors, reviewing them in detail, analyzing them, and then providing summaries to the administrative law judge to help her case. We enjoy doing that, as it's very satisfying. It's not just a job, it's a passion we have to help people who are disabled, impaired, and injured in some way.